Hi everyone, I'm Auntie Liza. Today I'm going to show you how to cook steamed fish soup for both you and your child. First step is to marinate the fish. These are the ingredients needed for this step. 500 gram fish fillet cut into 7 pieces, duck sauce, oyster sauce, honey, sesame oil, white pepper, onion grind, garlic grind. Now let's start mixing. When you are done, cover it with a cling wrapper and set it aside and prepare your vegetables. You will need small pieces of carrot, thinly sliced cabbage, and finely sliced spring onion. Before mixing the vegetables with the marinated fish, pour water into a pot and heat it over low fire. Pour the cabbage evenly into the tray. Then add in the marinated fish on top of the cabbage and spread it evenly too. Then pour the carrots and spring onions. Place the tray into the pot of hot boiling water and steam it with a medium fire. Cover it and steam it for 25 minutes. Now your steamed fish is ready and eat it with rice and the fruit of the day. Thank you and have fun cooking. Bye bye.